Okay, so this is called Rua da Pedra. So we're gonna walk out this Rua da Pedra and just kind of show you what it looks like. So give you a little context before we go down it. It's not too far from this temple right here. So this is Tito, something like that. And then on the other side is Camões Park. So so that's basically where we're gonna be going, is down this little side street down it. There's also some other stuff. There's like a park right here, and there's also a main road down that way. It goes to the inner harbor as well. So, okay. So let's head down Rua da Pedra. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I think you got some context to Rua da Pedra. We're gonna walk down this one. We're basically coming from this area right here, and that temple that was right there, you can kind of see parts of that temple all the way up. There's part of it as well. And we're gonna head on down Rua da Pedra. Going to be a little bit evening time, so just kind of fade this way. You got some little stuff like this. We'll just see what this is. This one goes behind. There's like a little bit of a plaza in this way. So we came this way, but let me just walk in just briefly. Let the people pass. But yeah, you come into this area and there's a little plaza. Should probably walk around it and then go down Rua da Pedra. This is Patio de Agulla. And you got this little space right here, and then you got a little park right here as well. So people hang out in the park. And there's also like things to do with your feet, like that. There's a space right there, you can step on it. But anyways, there's always lots of cool stuff everywhere in these alleys of Macau. Makes it so amazing. It's one of the things I really love about living here. But I want to stay with Rua da Pedra since that's our focus. There's the patio. There's some. Okay, so we're gonna head back on up. And now we're back in our little alley again. Let's just kind of check out some of the apartments. Beautiful, tall apartment right there. This might be kind of a small one. Look, check this out. Beco de Lage, and then it looks like it goes up these stairs. Let me just check. Oh yeah, so you go up these stairs up in that one. So I don't know where that one goes exactly, but anyways, it's these little becos. So we're back on our road again. Rua da Pedra. Got another temple over here. Let's just see what else we got here. Pebble Cafe. So I think that this is going to end. Let's just take a look here real quick. I don't know if this is the same street or not, if it's Rua da Pedra. Rua da Pedra. So Rua da Pedra actually might go around in a circle. But before we go up, let's just check out this temple right here. The temple's closed at the moment, but it's a little bit of a thing in there. I also kind of want to check out this little space too. So there's Rua do Patane, and then Beco da Lage. So this little space, let's just show you. So that little space goes up and around. So that's where we came before, but we couldn't go any further because they had all that. And it looks like it goes up into Camões Park, which is where the hillside comes from. If you go up the hillside, you see Camões Park. So let's just keep on walking down this way. We'll try to follow Rua da Pedra. It looks like what it does is go a little bit to the left. Because there it is right there, Rua da Pedra. So let's just follow and see if we can see another sign. See what we can see around here as well. Another little alley. Beco de Agulla is that little area that we were at a little earlier. So let's just kind of see. So this could all be Rua da Pedra as well. There is a sign up there. We'll just walk a little bit further. Dang, kind of a fast car. So okay, so this is That's part of the plaza. This is all one big patio right over in this area. That'll be its own video. So Rua de Pedra sign said it's going this way, but then that street is a different one. It says patio. This patio is means that this could be Rua de Pedra anyways. But let's just take a look to the left, see what we can see over on this side. It's kind of cool already. So we'll look for a sign. If we don't see a sign, then it means that we've hit our end with Rua de Pedra. Got different ways we could go. It's kind of cool. Okay, so let's just see. We'll go a little bit further and we'll see what street this is, if it's still Rua de Pedra. Looks like it might be. It is, it's Rua de Pedra. So this is our street, so we're gonna keep on walking down that way. And then we'll just kind of show you something real quick. Before we go, there's a Lisboa Casino, Grand Lisboa Casino, straight that way. So you can see it straight ahead. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow Rua de Pedra further along. So we're gonna follow that one, keep on going down. Yeah, this street's a little bit longer than I thought. Actually, you never know. Like sometimes these streets, they change names. This one just happens to be a little bit of a longer one. I think that's the same car that was zooming around the corner earlier, right? He's probably gonna kill somebody one of these days, driving fast in these little alleys and such. Let me see. Tiny little alleys. Oh, okay. This one comes out Travessa de Fogo. So this one comes out to I've been here before. Comes out to another temple. You can see that's still called Rua de Pedra. So now you're kind of at Rua de Barca, and then this one is definitely a different one. I can't see the name, but it's not Pedra. So we have João de Araujo, something like that. That street. And now we're kind of at a temple. So Rua de Pedra is definitely that one. And we might actually see if it's any. So it's definitely that street right there, Rua de Pedra. And I think this might be the end. There's a temple right there. Let me just see. So I think this is going to be the end of Rua de Pedra. So there's a street sign right there, Rua de Pedra. So I guess we'll end this one. Let me just see. Let's just kind of walk down this way and just kind of see exactly what's over here. Travessa dos Cules. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna walk in a complete circle and we're gonna come back. I just wanted to see what it looks like around here, because there's always kind of cool stuff everywhere, right? The beer can right there. So we're gonna come back this way and then we're gonna go back around. And here I can smell the smell of the temple. So these ones, the incense is lit up. And then this is also part of the temple. And I'm not gonna focus on it because that's our focus right there. So anyways, hope you like that one. Rua de Pedra. And we're gonna end it right here.